The Indian Contract Act, 1872. Articles 26 to 28. 26. Agreement in restraint of marriage, void. Every agreement in restraint of the marriage of any person, other than a minor, is void. Every agreement in restraint of the marriage of any person, other than a minor, is void. 27. Agreement in restraint of trade, void. Every agreement by which anyone is restrained from exercising a lawful profession, trade or business of any kind, is to that extent void. Every agreement by which anyone is restrained from exercising a lawful profession, trade or business of any kind, is to that extent void. Exception 1. Saving of agreement not to carry on business of which goodwill is sold. One who sells the goodwill of a business may agree with the buyer to refrain from carrying on a similar business within specified local limits, so long as the buyer, or any person deriving title to the goodwill from him, carries on a like business therein, provided that such limits appear to the court reasonable, regard being had to the nature of the business. 28. Agreements in restraint of legal proceedings, void. Every agreement by which any party thereto is restricted absolutely from enforcing his rights under or in respect of any contract, by the usual legal proceedings in the ordinary tribunals, or which limits the time within which he may thus enforce his rights, or b. which extinguishes the rights of any party thereto, or discharges any party thereto, from any liability, under or in respect of any contract, on the expiry of a specified period so as to restrict any party from enforcing his rights, is void to that extent. Exception 1. Saving of contract to refer to arbitration dispute that may arise. This section shall not render illegal a contract by which two or more persons agree that any dispute which may arise between them in respect of any subject or class of subjects shall be referred to arbitration, and that only the amount awarded in such arbitration shall be recoverable in respect of the dispute so referred. Exception to saving of contract to refer questions that have already arisen. Nor shall this section render illegal any contract in writing, by which two or more persons agree to refer to arbitration any question between them which has already arisen, or affect any provision of any law in force for the time being as to references to arbitration.